एक अशें दिसता की हो एंटायर तालुको बीजेपीचे आमदार आसून हांगा स्थानीक लोकांक न्याय मेळना आनी बीजेपीचे आमदार जे वॉशिंग मशिनान वचून आतां निवळ जाल्ले आसा अशें तांकां दिसता. तांकां जो कोळशाचेर तांणी जें कितें उतर दिल्लें लोकांक तें उतर ते पाळोवंक शकूंक ना. They have betrayed the public and they have betrayed the taluka. As a result of which this is not a healthy taluka. It is a taluka which is on the brink of a health disaster. Number one. Number two, it is a ticking time bomb because of lack of planning. Number three, it is an administrative mess because the MPA seems to be owning the state and the state has no ownership over its own state. गोंयचे सरकाराचे कितलें चलता मुगांव तालुक्यांत हें कांय कळना. हाजे खातीर हफ्तो म्हणटा तो इज बिकम द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डे. सगळे धंद्यांनी हफ्ते चालू आहा. हांगा कार्गो जो येता तो कार्गो भायर काडपा खातीर पयशे मागतात आनी ते पयशे दिले ना म्हणून आज मेरेन कार्गो थंय जिप्समाचो कार्गो कुसता. हे सगळे इश्यूज हांव एसेंब्लीन काडटलो आनी क्लियर कट एक दिश्टी पडटलें की बीजेपी ह्या तालुक्यान येवन हो तालुको काबार जालो. तर लोकांक हांगा बदल जाय अशें दिसता. नाजाल्यार इतल्या लोकांची गाराणी आज आमकां आयकुची पडपाची न्ही. जर सगळे खूश आहा, जर सगळे अच्छे दिन जर चालू आहा सगळ्यांचे, जाल्यार गाराणी कित्याक? वाय आर पीपल एप्रिहेंडिंग that there is going to be a mass cutting of trees which is going to give them lung diseases because of coal being handled. Who is saying that there is a dome for coal? Nobody has seen it. The media has not seen it. The elected representatives have not seen it. The opposition has not seen it. So who is saying that the coal is being handled in a closed handling of coal is happening? So there are so many issues. The issue is of traditional occupationists, especially fishermen. The Kharewada beach is in a mess. We don't know whether the beach cleaners have given up on that or they believe this is Pakistan. Nobody reaches the Kharewada beach. Now we are going to go there to see. There are fishing jetties everywhere. There is in Kortali, there is in Panjim, there is no fishing jetty in Vasco. Permission was got from the government saying, from the NPA, saying that the Goa government should do this jetty. I have raised this issue several times. But the jetty is not in place. The new season is about to start. So, it means that entire population of Vasco, whether it is the poor Hindu, whether it is the fishermen, whether it is the minority community, the younger generation which is running the risk of gambling, because gambling is rampant and the ruling party's cadre have forgotten that they are a party with a difference. They are now a gambling party. So it is now BGP, it is a Bharatiya Gambling Party in Murmugaon now. But everybody is involved in gambling. So all this, indicates that there is a bleak future for the next generation in Moscow. The traditional occupationists are giving up on their profession. Trawler owners are saying they are not getting subsidy. So every year there are 1 or 2 trawler owners who are giving up the profession. The smaller fisherman is so much harassed that he is saying that the Malpe people are coming and doing the bull trolling and LED fishing. Well, nothing is left for him. So they are also in danger. The transporter who used to be a local has been now replaced by somebody from out because haftas can be collected from outside is better. So in the name of trying to give justice to locals, there is only an extortion industry which is thriving in this taluka. And therefore we will have to raise these issues in the house. We will see whether the government heeds to this call. Because unfortunately the other side, that means the voice of dissent with regard to this taluka is never heard in the Goa Assembly since all the MLAs have come from the ruling party. So I found it necessary that I should come here. I will raise these issues and I hope that the government's eyes will be opened. If they don't open, then we will continue this mission that we have and to see that this port town. This is the town where the Vasco da Gama is supposed to have discovered India. So this has to be restored to its past glory and for which we will unitedly fight. थोडे वस्तू आयकल्ल्यो पूण इतलें म्हाका दिसूंक नाशिल्लें. आतां अशें दिसता की वास्को म्हणटा जगा भायलेंच म्हणून. सो हें खरें हें आमचे गोंयांत आसा काय ना असो प्रश्न पडटा. जे भशेन हांगा चलता, देर इज अ मिक्स ऑफ बिहार देर इज अ मिक्स ऑफ द बॅडलँड्स ऑफ इस्टर्न UP. सो सगळें म्हणजे हफ्ते चलता, गॅमलिंग चलता. वास्को गोंयांत आहा काय ना हे प्रश्न पडटा म्हाका. आनी हांगा पुलीस खंय हांगा युनिफॉर्म घालनात. कित्याक घालनात? ते युनिफॉर्माचे खंय तांकां हफ्ते घेवंक मेळना. सो ते एक टी-शर्ट घालतात आनी टी-शर्टान हफ्ते घेतात. सो सदांच फूल युनिफॉर्म घालनासताच रावतात ते फूल टायम हफ्तेच घेत आहा. आनी ते पुलीस खंय हांगा सरकारी जावंय जाल्ले आहा, ताका ट्रान्सफर बी मेळना खंय. ते जे कोण आसा पळय ते हांगाच्यान थंय अशेंच म्हणजे 20 वर्सां एक मनीस थंय जाग्यार आहा. सो ही इज बिकम अ टेनंट ऑफ द पुलीस स्टेशन. That type of scenario is on. So I think there is a complete administrative mess, and we have to open the eyes of the government to this state. Chief Minister is coming and only hearing one side of the story. Here, he has not heard the other side. So I'm trying to make him hear the other side in the house.
Goa Foracho President, and Fatordacho MLA. आज तेणी जनता दरबार येवन वास्को शहरान या मार्गांव तालुक्यान तेणी घेतलो आनी लोकांचे सगळे प्रश्न जे कितें आसले तेणी आयज आयकले. हे आयज ताका कळोन येयलें ह्या वास्को शहरान ह्या दाबोळे मार्गांव गोवा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हितून तालुक्यान आयज जायते लोकांचे प्रश्न. हांव सुरवातेक म्हणटालो पयलीं सुवातेर हांव परत ह्या विजय सरदेसाय जो आमचो गोवा फोर्डाचो प्रेसिडेंट आनी MLA हाका चड देव बरें कर म्हणटा. कित्याक कारण तो आयज वास्को येयलो आनी लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकोपाक तेणें आयज जायतो लोकांक टायम दिलो. जाणा एकल्यानी MLAनी हे भाशेन लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आहाय ते लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकोपाक थोडो टायम दिवपा जाय. आनी जरी तर हे भाशेन तर दिना जाल्यार वोटरांक तुमी जस्टिफिकेशन दिच ना. कित्याक आयज इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जरी तर आयज तर ह्याच मार्गांव तालुक्यान आयज तर प्रॉब्लेम नासले वो कोणाकूय प्रॉब्लेम नासले जाल्यार आयज इतलो लोक येवन आपले प्रश्न हो प्रॉब्लेम आपले विजयक सांगचे ना आसले. सो तेका लागून हांव सांगता जे आयज आमदार जाले म्हणटकूच सुसेगाद रावप ना, लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकप. आनी आयज ताणें आमचेय प्रश्न ताणें आयकले. आयज गोवा फिशींग बोर्डाचे जे आमच्या फिशींग जेटीचे जायते मेंबर येयले, हांवूय प्रेसिडेंट. पूण आयज प्रश्न आमी चोयता तो ह्या फिशींग जेटीचो धाकटीशी आमकां फिशींग जेटी आहा, टेम्पररी जेटी हे सदांच हांव म्हणटा. आनी ही आयज इतले कंडिशन बिगडले आहा हे जेटीचे. आनी हे वर्सा आयज तेणें काम देखून ते मेंटेनन्स कितें करपाचें आहा तें देखून करूंक ना. आयज हांव स्पेशल विजय सरदेसाय बाबा आयज व्हरोन दाखयतलो आनी ते कळटलें जे कंडिशन कितें आहा तें. कित्याक मनसून 2 म्हयने आहा, 2 म्हयन्या भितर जे मेळिल्ले रिपेर आहा ते करूं जाय, तेवूय करूं ना. एवरी असेंब्लीन जो एश्युरन्स ताका मेवता आनी की न्यू बरी जेटी बांदून दिता म्हणटा तेवूय आयज आमकां मेवना. सो पर्सनली हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केला विजय सरदेस बाबा यो आनी तुज्या पर्सनल तुज्या दोळ्यांनी पळय वास्कोचे फिशींग जेटीचे कंडिशन कितें आहा.